Out of your house this weekend, you'll see that the snow, the cold, the wind might have caused a few problems over the winter, especially with your roof. Ignoring the problem is not the answer. Mike Washington from Ivy Lee Construction joins us this morning and is all too familiar with roofing issues in the area. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Busy week for you guys, huh?
Very busy with all the wind this past weekend. It has been extremely busy in our office. We've had crews out all week making repairs.
What should people be looking for, as we just had that terrible windstorm last weekend? What should we be looking for when we just do an evaluation?
Yeah, we're really looking up on your roof to see if you're missing any shingles, specifically around the ridge, which is going to be the peak of your house.
Okay.
That's a real good indicator of if anything is blown off. The peak is usually going to take the most wind because it's coming from both directions. And then also all the valleys around all the chimneys, the vent stacks, all the penetrations coming through the roof. That's a good spot to start.
And why is it important when we see the roof start to fail? Why is it important to take care of it right away?
Everything you own is basically underneath that roof. So you really got to think about if you have one penetration that is leaking or shingles that are missing, something is going to get ruined underneath, from drywall to insulation, and then your personal belongings are also under that roof.
Absolutely. How do you make sure a construction job that you guys do, how do you make sure it's done properly so everything's safe and sound?
For sure. So we're going to start from the beginning of your roof, and we're going to actually take it all the way down, right down to the sub deck. So we're going to inspect the whole deck, make sure there's no rot, anything that needs to be replaced is going to be replaced. That way we can take it all the way down and rebuild it back up. New ice shield all the way up. That's going to go 9 or 12 feet from your gutter line up. That's going to help with large icicles and heat loss issues. And then we're going to build up with all of our synthetic felt and then actually start installing our actual shingles.
Teach me, I'm glad you mentioned shingles. Teach me a little bit. I know you have the CertainTeed shingles. Teach me about a good shingle. Yeah,
CertainTeed shingle. So we install a 5-star install, which is basically the whole roof is going to get stripped, all new flashing, all new venting, low venting, high venting. By doing so that way, we can offer you a 50-year non-prorated warranty.
Wow.
So as long as you own that house, you're going to have a 50-year warranty on that roof. Nothing is ever going to be done again.
And that is such a good feeling to know that you're starting from the top down and that's going to last and it's going to be worth it.
It's going to be the last roof you have to buy. It's going to give you a non-prorated warranty, and that's a real big part of that warranty. So the non-proration piece is the minute you have a problem with that roof, you call us, it'll get repaired, and there's no bill to you at all. And it's not like we're only warranting a section of it like they would do with a proration portion. They don't do that, so it's everything, including aesthetics and looks. So even if you have a fade on your roof that you'll see in the summer, you can actually call us, we'll come out, we'll get the CertainTeed rep right out there, and they'll take care of everything.
When is a good time to replace the roof? What time of year?
So we replace roofing all year round. Obviously, we have crews out this week with blow-offs from the last weekend, and we install roofs all winter, spring, summer, fall. So it's all year long that we're installing roofs. You know, we really want to try to catch it before it gets too bad.
Okay.
And we're stripping. You know, a lot of roofs in our area will have 2, 3, 4 roofs on them that we'll have to strip them all the way down to get all the weight off the roof, because that's even doing more damage to the roof structure.
And you've got a good Facebook special.
Yes, we have all sorts of specials. We're always giving stuff on our Facebook, so go to our page. But this month we have 0% interest for 24 months, which is a great deal. A lot of our clients take advantage of that. And then we also have up to $900 off.
First time on Western New York Living. Will you come back?
Yes, definitely.
Yay, awesome. Ivy Lee Construction is one of the most trusted names in home improvement. To find out more about all the interior and exterior services they provide, including roofing, head over to their website at Ivy Lee Construction.